Even though Auto Expo has returned after a gap of 3 years, what is conspicuously missing is the presence of big brands like Mercedes, BMW, Volvo, Mahindra and Mahindra, among others. So what made them skeptical about Asia's biggest automotive show?
Auto Expo 2023 I think is very cold, not in terms of the temperature but overall the atmosphere, everything is very cold because a lot of brands have not participated, and I feel the current brands which have participated has forcefully got some models, because a lot of the models which we see in a lot of these pavilions are actually what was showcased back in 2020 also. So I think the way things are going, probably Auto Expo might not even happen the next time. So that's a little disappointing. The main hall had like Maruti Suzuki and Toyota, and then a lot of brands which you would never ever see in the main hall, like small chunks and like really small halls have been made, or small, like they made small places. Like I think I saw Bajaj Chetak, very small. So that's a little disappointing actually. I feel that they don't get bang for the buck. So this is the second most expensive expo, like an automobile event which happens, an auto show. First is obviously China. So they don't see ROI in that. I know brands like Volvo, they never participated. They decided at Terminal 3 they will put a full stall for 1 year, which was much cheaper for that, and every time people used to go, they used to see Volvo cars parked there. So that's the reason probably that ROI is not there. The information, the news, the unveiling the car doesn't last long, because before that thing gets done, there's another press conference which happens, and everything happens so fast, they don't see bang for the buck.
So the Auto Expo this year, to be honest, is a bit lukewarm, if I may say that word, because not many brands are participating. First, second, even the brands who are participating, we haven't seen anything big from them, to be honest. Mostly, they are slightly different variants of the existing cars, or the cars that that are just in the very nascent stage, or very concept. We haven't seen anything that that is almost ready to launch. So that way, I think I was expecting it to be more exciting. At least a lot more products, a lot more technology. But either, like, of course, there are EVs, but even in the EVs, we haven't seen anything that that will come into fruition very, very soon. And I think that's the reason probably why a lot of manufacturers are not participating into it, because it's like a biennial event wherein you need to invest some amount of money and the time to prepare your products. And even if you don't have finished products, you still bring in them as design studies and whatever. So I think, the brands probably they're not getting the ROI that they're looking at. So yeah.
Auto Expo takes place every 2 years and is organized by SIAM. Head to our website business-standard.com for more updates.